Hello everyone, welcome to this video. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make up to 28.4 per sale you made with this affiliate marketing program. As you know, when it comes to affiliate marketing program, you always earn money based on the commission you made, and I'm going to be showing you this affiliate marketing program where you can be able to make 28.4 per any sale you made, also by rating your people purchasing the given services I will be showing you, and also by rating your friends know where they can be able to buy the given services they need. Without wasting time, let's get started. As you can see now, I'm using my computer. That is normal. So you can either use your computer, your mobile phone, or any device that can access to the internet. And also, once you're done, you have to come here to this platform and find for this platform which can be able to help you earn such amount of money. And also, what you need to do is to search for Keenstar. You can search for Keenstar affiliate program. After searching for Keenstar affiliate program, you're gonna get this platform which you can see here. As you see, this is a Keenstar affiliate program, and also if you try to explore, you can see join our high paying affiliate program and earn one-time bonus of up to 500 USD. So this is also another benefit you can be able to get on this platform. However, I'm gonna be exploring into details and show you how you can be able to make such amount of money. So what you need to do is now we're gonna be opening this platform which is called Keenstar.com, and also after opening it, you can see we are on affiliates page. When we reach to the affiliate page, you can see we have different kind of information. You can see they have different products including hosting, managed hosting for WordPress, Keenstar automatic updates, free site migrations, edge caching, APM. You can see there are a lot of Cloudflare integration. There are a lot of resources and tools that most developers and other techie gurus might need to use in their real life or in their work, day-to-day work, in their businesses anymore. So however, we are targeting now affiliate marketing because we want to be making money with affiliate marketing by earning commission. As you can see, they have an affiliate program here, which is you can see join our paying high affiliate program, and you can see as they were saying there on the search page, you can see you can be able to earn one time of USD 500 plus as lifetime monthly commissions of 10% for every referral to Keenstar WordPress hosting. So now you can see if you can be able to earn a 30 bonus. That's the much amount of money. However, I'm targeting on affiliate marketing. That's the way I'm showing you how you can be able to make money with affiliate marketing, because this is the way that you can be continuously earning money instead of relying on the commission of one time of USD 500. Instead, you can be coming here, and also if I click on this affiliate marketing, you can see if I scroll down, you can see there are a lot of information below. You can see they are showing you there's a predicting how much money you can be able to make by time to time. Calculations are based on the number and types of plans you refer each month, factor in our 2% churn rate, and this brings you to estimated total passive income. This is the total passive income, the estimation that you are estimating you can be able to earn based on the services you have sold here. You can see the calculations, how they are changing here, how they are updating everything. You can see now, for instance, these are new customers you refer per month. That is such amount of money you can be able to earn. If you want to estimate, let's say you have 20, you're gonna be getting this amount of money by this. Now let's try to scroll down and see lifetime monthly payments. You would be getting lifetime monthly payment of 2% of recurring commissions after substantial value. You can get high conversion retention rates. Keenstar is easy, so long conversion window. Now you have to there's transparency in house tracking, so you use Keenstar's custom built affiliate dashboard to track page views, referrals, payments, and more. Dedicated affiliate support is available here. Affiliates at Keenstar.com. There is also resources to grow your commissions, which includes your conversion rates with comprehensive guides, advanced tips, and a range of high converting assets. So now you can be able to read more details here, but I don't want to go into details. What I need to do is to show you now how much money you can be able to earn, or how you can be able to earn 28.4 per sale. What you need to do now, you need to come here to pricings and see what kind of services you're gonna be selling. As you can see now, you can be able to earn 10% commission per any sale you made. That is what they say here. And also, if I click on the pricings, I'm gonna see the services they are providing to the people here. So for instance, if I click on the monthly basis, I'm gonna be starting at USD 340 per month. But if I'm gonna be referring someone who is gonna be purchasing the annual plan, so annual package, you're gonna be getting this one, 284 per month, which is gonna be billed annually, and also the person is gonna be paying this amount of money. So now this is also up to 10,000 in hosting credit for eligible agents, free hosting for your agent site, listing in the directory, and blended WordPress admin experience, access to accounting management, and you can also be able to read more here. And if you want to be talking to the sales, you can click here and talk to the sales as well. So now what we do is to try to estimate this amount. If now we're gonna be calculating this, for instance, let's suppose that we have told a new customer who purchased these services and he paid 284. This is gonna be 10% of it. It's gonna be 28.4. 200 times 10% is gonna be 28.4 USD that you can be able to earn from this sale you can be able to make. So now let's try to see now if, for instance, we make another sale which is or let's see, this one is for instance basic plan is if you have 2 or more sites. You can see now if you're gonna be having this one, you want to pay today, this one is equal to this, and also you can be multiplied to increase and see. You can see how much money you can be able to pay. This is for enterprise plan, this is single site plans only, and also this is for now this is for multiple sites. And the more you scroll, you can be able to see what kind of amount of money you need to be able to earn. Need something else, this is gonna be bringing you here to pay or to talk to the sellers. And also let's suppose that you can be able to make this one, this is gonna be 6,750 USD. Also, if you're gonna be getting this one, you're gonna be making 675 as 10% of the total amount of sales you made. Also, this amount of money. So as you can see, you can be able now to earn much money by referring only single person on these sites, also in these services. And also, if you are aware of the people or the tech gurus who might want or who might be interested in these services, you can be able to tell them. And also, once you tell them, you're gonna be making money as well. So now let's see how we can get started. What we do is to go back to the affiliate marketing where we were now and see how we can be able to get started. So let's scroll down, see if they have an affiliate marketing on the down bottom. So most of the sites are having an affiliate program, are listing an affiliate program on the bottom feature. And so you can see now this is the one. I have to click on it, and once I click on it, you can see I have the same page for like what I started from. I'm gonna be clicking on become an affiliate. So once I click on become an affiliate, I'm gonna be getting this page where I can be proceeding and fill out all this information. Once you are done with filling all this information on 4 steps, you can see the first step, second, third, and fourth. Also, you will be waiting, and also you get notified when you are accepted into the affiliate program at kingstar.com. So this is also your opportunity. If you have audience, if you have a great niche, you can be able to promote these services, this hosting. And also, if you have people who might be interested in purchasing hosting, you can be able to make money by also marketing these services, and by also earning a commission from every sales you made as well. Thank you for watching this video. Remember to subscribe to this channel TV, like this video, share it to your friends. If you have any questions, you can email to leave it in the comment section.